So this is what I'm looking at today, right? Now we can see this hourly candlestick. I want to mark out the high and see what we want to do above there, right? So we've been bullish or one-sided for an hour now, right? So I want to see if they still want to continue back into this range or they want to retrace and seek discounted liquidity before going higher. So that's what I'm seeing on the 1 hour time frame, right? Now let's go to the 5 minutes. Same narrative. So this is what I'm expecting if they want to come back to this range because there's a lot of imbalance in this particular range, right? They've been one-sided. So obviously, at a point in time, they'll want to retrace into discounts before going higher. If that's the narrative, right? So on the 5 minute time frame and the 1 hour time frame, that's the narrative I'm looking at. So if they really want to retrace to this zone, I want them to get above this high, show unwillingness to continue higher and come back into the range. So if all that criteria is met, this can be my target for the day. When they get to this particular low, I will be content. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. So let's just be patient and watch if that actually plays out. I don't know. What are expectations for today?
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm expecting them to go higher,
All right.
but then there will be a bit of sales before that. Yeah, because they've been bullish for quite a while.
Eugene, what are you expecting for today?
Yeah, bro. So I'm expecting them to come into a discounted range before it goes higher, or it can also reverse on the entire move. It's
These are all possibilities because we are also in a discount range of this entire move, so yeah, they could also be seeking for premium of this range, right? So I want to see what they want to do here, the active buyers. Whether they want to go into the range right now, they have enough liquidity to get to these areas, or they want to seek liquidity internally before moving back to the externals. We have like 3 minutes more on our watches. So in the next minute is 9:30 opening bell. Let's see what these candlesticks do. As I explained my narrative earlier, I would love to see them sweep this buy side liquidity, before coming lower. So you can see they fell short of that particular objective. They swept just this one and they are coming lower. And see if they actually want to sweep the major buy side here, or they want to leave an equal high that they'll later come for when they come back into this range. 10 seconds on the clock now. Okay, so we are live. This is 9:30's candlestick. Let's see the narrative. You've already done 62 handles on one candlestick. That's a lot. I'm still patient, waiting for more information that supports my bias. So right now I'm studying 9:30 highs, 9:30 lows, which liquidity is getting activated first. So if we get a sweep of 9:30 highs, we can get that move lower. But if it's a run, their next objective is going to be this buy side. I'm still confirming if this is sweep or a run. Okay, so I'm going to take my sales from here, my stop loss above the high they created after taking 930 highs. And that's the risk I'm taking today. That's the position I'm taking today. Now let me see what we can target for take profit. Okay, so we can target 930 lows as take profit. Personally, I entered two positions, so I'm going to have one position taken off there. Then I can leave the rest to run. So if they really want to go lower, we want to see momentum in this range and see a lot of momentum coming lower. Okay, so how many handles have they done so far? They've done above 40. I'm advising everybody set their break even. Please set your break even. You don't want to be risking. So I have my break even set, which means I have no risk in this trade. If they do what I don't want to see or what I'm not expecting against me, I still don't lose anything. And as I always say, I have a lesson. So yeah. Few handles from TP. Okay, so that's TP. And that ends my day, basically. So today's narrative was very simple. We had a one-sided range, so obviously we know that they can't continue higher without seeking for liquidity, right? So we traded that retracement coming towards the discount of that range, and yeah, it was pretty simple. So, do you guys have any questions? Now the study for the day, of course, it is a study for the day. I forgot to put that down. I want you guys to study price getting to this particular point, or whether price gets to that particular point. That's what I'm expecting to happen before they go higher. So I'll also be studying that. But for now, yeah, we made some profit. So let's all go and enjoy it.